Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 8 of English grammar, that is adjective, the kinds of adjective. Dear students, in this chapter we have read the definition of adjective with example, and we have also read the features of an adjective and kinds of adjective. In the kinds we have read adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, distributive adjective, proper adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, and demonstrative adjective. Dear students, in the previous classes we have also completed the exercise first, second, and today we will discuss the exercise number third, which is given at the page number 36. Okay students, just open your book and put out the pencil to complete the exercises given at the page number 36 and 37. Okay students, so today we will discuss the first exercise number third. Exercise third. What is exercise third? You can see in your book also. Fill in the blanks with the opposite of adjective. You have to fill the opposite of adjective. Dear students, adjective given and you have to fill the opposite of that adjective. Opposite means antonyms. Just see, first sentence is given. A polite girl never gave. Just see, a polite girl. First question, a polite girl polite means humble, kind. A polite girl never give a what? You have to fill your opposite word of this polite and there is reply. You have to complete the sentence. reply. Just see, a polite girl never give a reply. Blank is given. You have to choose the opposite meaning. Opposite of polite. It is also highlighted. The word polite is highlighted in your book. And you have to write the antonym. You have to write the opposite meaning of this word in this blank. Okay? Just see. A polite girl never give a what? What would be the opposite of polite? Rude. RUDE. Okay, students, you will fill the adjective. You will fill the opposite of polite in this blank. Rude. RUDE. Just see. A polite girl never give a rude reply. Okay, students, this is the correct sentence. You complete it in your book and come to the next question. Question number second. What is question number second? Just see. It is given. She is young. She is young. And that is highlighted. That is highlighted. You have to write the opposite of that in the given blank. Just see. She is young, but her mother is. But her mother is. There is blank. You have to fill this blank. Just see. She is young, but her mother is. You have to fill the opposite of the word young. Okay, what would be the opposite of the word young? That is old. Okay, that is the O. You will fill the word, you will fill the adjective old in the given blank. That is the correct sentence. She is young, but her mother is old. And that is also the opposite of young. Okay, just write down. She is young, but her mother is old. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood the things. Come to the next question. Question number third. Just see. Question number third. What is question number third? A mango is sweet. A mango is sweet. SWEAT. Sorry. SWEET. Okay. A mango is sweet. That is highlighted. You have to write the opposite of this word. Okay. But lemon is. But a lemon is. Just see. A mango is sweet, but a lemon is what? You have to fill here the opposite of the word sweet. What would be the opposite of the word sweet? Sour. 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 Okay, students, just fill. Mango is sweet, but the lemon is sour. Okay, just write down. Just fill the word sour. SOUR in the given blank in the question number third. Okay, students, a mango is sweet, but a lemon is sour. Okay. Come to the next question. Question number 4. What is question number 4? We will discuss. Just see the question number 4. Question number 4 is given. The knife was blunt. The knife, KNIFE. A knife was not blunt. BLUNT. You have to write the opposite. It is highlighted in the book. Okay. It was. There is a blank you have to fill. Just see. The knife was not blunt. Okay. It was sharp. The opposite of blunt is sharp. SHARP. Okay, students, just write down. The knife was not blunt. It was sharp. Okay, students, in the blank you will fill the word sharp because it is an opposite word of the word blunt. Okay. Just see. The knife was not blunt. It was sharp. Okay, students, just complete it. And after completing it, come to the question number 5. That is the last question of this exercise. Yes, students, I am going to erase the first question. I hope that you all have done it. First and second also. And just see the question number 5. What is question number 5? You are good boy. Okay, it is written here. Question number 5. You are good boy. BOY. Just you are good boy. But he is a. It is highlighted, students. The word good is an adjective and it is highlighted, and you have to fill the opposite of good in the given blank. Just see. You are good boy, but he is a blank is given and there is word boy. Just see. You have to write the opposite of good. You are good boy, but he is a bad. BAD. That is the opposite of the word good. Okay, students. So what would be the correct sentence? You are good boy, but he is a bad boy. Okay, students. Just write down. Just fill the word bad in the given blank. Just see. You are good boy, but he is bad boy. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood the things. So in this way we have completed the exercise number 3rd, which is given at the page number 36. Okay students, now we will discuss the optional question given at the page number 37. Okay, just see. Yes students, I hope that you all have written it. Therefore I am going to erase it. If anyone have any kind of doubts in this exercise, can ask on WhatsApp. Okay students, now turn the page, come to the page number 37, and that is optional question. You have to fill, you have to tick the option which is correct. Okay, there are 4 options, that is also known as multiple choice question. Okay, there are 4 choices, you have to select only one. Okay students, now we will discuss the optional question. Optional question, Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N-S. Okay, this is your question. And just see, what is question? Take the most appropriate option from the following. We have to select the most appropriate option from the following. Okay, there are 4 options given, A, B, C, D. We have to select only one according to the sentence given in the question. Just see students, what is the first question? Your first question is given, the woman is very. Just see, the woman is very there is blank. You have to fill the blank as well as you have to select the option. There are 4 options, A, B, C and D. Just see, what is the option? Wrong. W-R-O-N-G. It is already written. Beautiful. And another is deep and that is shallow. S-H-A-L-L-O-W. Okay, there are 4 options. You have to fill the adjective, the most appropriate word in the given blanks, and you have to choose the option from the these 4 options, that is wrong, beautiful, deep, shallow. Okay, just see, the woman is very. What would be the most appropriate word for that? Beautiful. The option number B is the correct. Okay students, in the blank you will fill the word beautiful and the option number B is correct. You will tick on that. Okay, you will tick on the option number B. Just complete it student. The woman is very beautiful. That is the correct option. Okay students, come to the next question. Question number 4, second. Okay, just see the question. Dear students, now I will not write the option because it will take too much time. I will directly write the sentence and option. Just see the sentence. Second, the prince slept on a. This is your question. Just see. Question number 2. The prince slept. The prince slept on a, there is a blank, bed. There are 4 options students that you have to select, that you have to choose. The prince slept on a. There are 4 options. The first one is hard bed, foolish bed, young bed and sad bed. Dear students, the most appropriate option is hard bed. The option number first. Just see students, option number first, that is hard, H-A-R-D, is the correct option. We will tick on that. We will also fill here the word hard. Okay, just see, the prince slept on a hard bed, and other options are not so much appropriate. Therefore we will fill the option hard, which is first option. We will also tick on that. You see the question. The prince slept on a hard bed. Okay, just complete it and come to the question number third. What is question number third? That boy is very. Question number third. That boy is very. There is blank. You have to fill the adjective and just see. There are four options. You can see. That boy is very still, dear, tall, narrow. Students, the option number C. The option number C is the most appropriate adjective to fill in the blank. Tall. Very tall is the correct option. Just see. That boy is very tall. Option number C is the correct option. So we will tick on the option number C. Okay, students, just complete it. That boy is very tall. The option number C is the correct option. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Just see. And it is written, there is a blank. And man was walking with a stick. With a stick. S-T-I-C-K. Okay, student, that is your question. And just see, you have to fill. And dear students, the article "and" is used here. It means we have to select the option start with the vowel sound. Okay, just see. Many, no, that is not appropriate. Few, no. High, no. Old, yes, old. We will fill the option old. Option number 4 is the correct option. Students, option number D, old, is the correct option. We will tick on that. An old man. And old man was walking with a stick. Okay, just see. An old man was walking with a stick. Okay, option number 4 is the correct. Option number D is the correct option. Okay, students, just complete it. In the question number 2, the option number 1 is the correct option, that is hard. In the question number 3, the option number C is the correct option, that is tall. And in the question number 4, the option number D is the correct option, that is old. Okay, students, come to the next question. Question number 5. Okay, students, just I am going to erase it. And I hope that you all have understood the things. Come to the next question. Dear students, if you have any kind of doubts in this chapter, in this question, in this exercise, then you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 5. What is question number 5? We can see question number 5. It is given here, or there is a blank. You have to fill. Man lives in that bungalow. Man live in that bungalow. In that bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Okay, students, that is your sentence. It is not visible. Just say, students, in that bungalow. Okay, just see. B-U-N-G-A. There would be A. Okay, students, bungalow. Just see, you have to fill the option. A man, a blank is given. man lives in that bungalow. Just see, rich, a rich man, a wet man, a coarse man, a smooth man. Yes students, the first option is the correct option, rich man. Option number first is the correct option, rich, R-I-C-H. We will tick on that option and we will also fill here. A rich man lives in that bungalow. Okay students, just fill. A rich man lives in that bungalow. Option number first is the correct option. Come to the next question. Question number 6. What is question number 6? The dog fell in a well, W-E-L-L. Okay, this is your question. The dog fell in a ... well. You have to select the option. What kind of well? Foolish well? No. Stupid well? No. Deep well? Yes. And the fourth option is given, slow. That is not appropriate. The option number C is the most appropriate. Option number C is the most appropriate. Slow is the correct option. We will tick on that. S-L-O-W. Yes, see. The dog fell in a not slow, deep. There will be deep, not slow. Dear students, option number C. That is not correct. Deep well. Okay, deep. Option number C, that is deep, is the correct option. We will also fill the word deep in the given blanks. The dog fell in a deep well. Occasionally, just see, the dog fell in a deep well. That is the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay students, just complete it. The dog fell in a deep well. Option number C is the correct option. Come to the question number 7. Just see the question. Kolkata is a blank given city. Just see. Right, there are 4 options. Right, short, few, big. Option number D is the correct option, big city. Okay, just see. Big. Kolkata is a big city. Okay students, option number D is the correct option. Kolkata is a big city. In this sentence, we will fill in the blank, we will fill the word big. That is the correct option. Option number D is the correct option. That is big. Okay, Kolkata is a big city. Okay students, come to the next question. Question number 8. Dear students, I hope that you all have completed it. Come to the next question. Question number 8. Just see students, question number 8. What is question number 8? Dear students, I will not write the question. Just see the question. The blank is given. Just see the question I am writing. The blank is given. Boy won a prize. Won a prize. This is your question. And you have to fill the blank. Option is given. Old boy. The old boy. No, that is wrong. The first boy. Okay students, option number B is the correct option. Option number B is the correct option. First, F-I-R-S-T. Okay, that is the correct option. We will tick on that. F-I-R-S-T. St. Okay, the first boy won a prize. Won a prize. Okay, students, just complete it. Come to the next question. Question number 9. What is question number 9? This mango is very blank is given. There are 4 options that we have to select. The mango is very foolish, no. Stupid, no. Wise, no. Sweet. Sweet is the correct option. Okay, students, sweet is the correct option that we will tick on that. Option number D, the word sweet is the correct option. Therefore, we will tick on that. Okay, students, just see. The mango is very sweet. That is the correct option. Okay, this mango is very sweet. Option number 4 is the correct option. Come to the next question. Question number 10. Just see, students, what is question number 10? The old woman slept on a The old woman slept on a floor is given. FLOOR. Just see. FLOOR. The old woman slept on a rough floor. Rough is the correct option. Okay, students, option number B is the correct option. ROUGH. That is rough. Okay, option number B is the correct option. ROUGH. Rough floor. Okay, just see. The old woman slept on a rough floor. Option number B is the correct option. Okay, students, just fill it. Option number B is the correct option. Okay, students, just see. Come to the next question. Question number 9. What is question number 9? Just see. Question number 11. Up to 10 we have completed. Question number 11. Just see. A square has. That is very simple. Question number 10, 11. In the question number 11, we will fill the option. We will tick the option 4. 4 is the correct option. A square has 4 sides. A square has 4 sides. Option number D is the correct option. Okay, students. Option number D is the correct option. That is 4. Okay. Question number 12. Just see. He is a weak man. Yes, means option number A, that is weak, is the correct option. Okay, we will fill the word weak. Option number weak, option number A is the correct option. Okay, students, just see. In the question number 11, option number D, that is 4, is the correct option. We will tick on that. In the question number 12, option number first, the word weak is the correct option. We will tick on that. Okay, students, and so in this way we have completed the exercises given in the chapter number 8, that is adjective, kinds of adjective. Okay, students, so in this way we have also completed this chapter. In the next class we will discuss the another thing. That's all for today. Thank you.